How to delete old Instagram account without password, email and phone number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete old Instagram account if you don't have access to the password, email or phone number. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you must open up Instagram application and make sure that you are logged in with your new account. Now, in order to delete your old Instagram account when you don't have your password, email or the phone number, one of the way is to report your account or your old account as a fake account or as an impersonation, even though it's yours. So that trick will help you delete your account. So to do that, what you have to do is you have to head towards the search bar and you have to search for your old account username. Tap on the search icon at the bottom and in the search bar, search for your old account username. And when you can access that account and you land on your profile, you have to tap on the three dot icon at the top right. From this menu, you have to choose report. Now Instagram will ask you what do you want to report. And here select something about this account. And on the next page, you have to select they are pretending to be someone else. Again, the Instagram will ask who they are pretending to be. And here you can choose me since that's your old account. So tap on me. After that, Instagram may ask for additional information or proof of identity. If prompted, you have to upload a photo of your government issued ID or any other document. So make sure to follow the instructions carefully. After that, Instagram usually reviews report within 24 to 48 hours but may take longer. If they verify that the account is an impersonation, they may disappear or delete the account. So this is one of the way to delete your old Instagram account if you're not able to access its password, email and phone number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.